Hello everyone, and thanks for watching Fast Track Tutorials. My name is Emil Sliegers, I'm a senior 3D artist, and in this tutorial course I will teach you on how to create a hero asset from start to finish. A hero asset is basically a high quality asset that is often used for specific reasons or for close-ups. In our case, we will use it for our close-up renders and therefore push the geometry and texture size a little bit. However, this is still considered to be a game model. For the modeling of our asset, we will be using Blender 3D with a little bit of ZBrush. For the baking and final renders, we will be using Mumsen Toolbag 4. And for the texturing, we will be using Substance Painter. We will cover a lot of different topics and techniques, but some of the main topics that we will cover are how to create a high poly and low poly model inside of Blender 3D, and how to use ZBrush along with booleans to create quick and complicated shapes. We will go over on how to create splines for cables and spirals. Of course, how to do the UV unwrapping of our model quickly and efficient. How to bake our model inside of Mumsen Toolbag, and later on how to also render it inside of Mumsen Toolbag 4 along with ray tracing. And of course, we will go over on how to create our final textures inside of Substance Painter, including how to create realistic rust, how to add realistic dirt and roughness variation, and so much more. Now, all of the techniques that we will be using in this tutorial course are universal, which means that they can be used in pretty much every 3D modeling program. So even if you are a Maya or a 3ds Max user, the techniques that I'm using and the tools that I'm using, you can still find a variation of those or the exact same tools inside of other modeling programs. Now, for this course, I do expect that you already have a basic understanding of the programs we use. If you do not yet have a basic understanding of this, I recommend that you first watch some introduction tutorials, which you can find for free on, for example, YouTube, or on any of the online marketplaces. As always, all of the source files for this course, including the final scenes and the assets, will be included. Now, I had a lot of fun creating this course, and I think the end result came out really great. So I hope that you will join me and enjoy the teachings as much as I did.